Hey dolls, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yonella. I just want to welcome you to my channel. So as promised, last week we did a makeup look from the Persona Identity palette, and I said that there was going to be a series. So we are continuing that, and we're going to be creating look number 2 from this palette. So for those of you who haven't seen this palette yet, which I'm sure almost everybody has, this is the actual palette, and the colors that it brings is such a gorgeous palette. It has such neutral shades, but also a little bit of pop of a little bit of color there with the darker shades. But this is kind of like my favorite kind of palettes. I love warm tones, and it's just easy to create looks with this. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this look. So to start the look off today, we're going to take this shade called Humble, and it's just like a neutral color. I'm just going to take that, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids just because I want to have a very blank, clean, and neutral base. Next, I'm going to pick up Charming. I love this shade. It's just such like the perfect transition shade. So I'm going to pick that up and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take Seductive on a shaver brush, and I'm going to use this shade to apply it all over my eyelid. This is going to be the main color that we're going to be using for our eye look today. This color is so pretty. I love using it for an everyday eye look. Next, I'm going to take this really dark shade. It's called Fearless, and I'm going to apply that in my inner crease using a smaller blending brush. I want to put that right directly in the actual crease of my eye socket. And I'm going to take just a little bit of Bossy, and I'm going to align my lower lash line with this shade just so we can bring in the whole eye look together. And now for a little bit of brow highlight, I'm going to take Sassy, because we are feeling sassy today. And then for my inner corners, I'm going to take Gold Digger and apply that to the inner corners like I just said. I did use this same technique for the last look that I did from this palette. I just love this shade for an inner corner. It just really makes your eye look just pop. So now I'm actually not going to do any liner today. I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and also pop on some falsies. And that's going to really bring the look together. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Big Colossal Shot Mascara. I love this one. So I've already done the rest of the face. I'm just applying some lip color. This one here is called Angel from MAC. And then just disregard the lashes. Apparently I didn't put enough glue because you can see on my left eye, the lash is kind of like detaching itself towards the inner corner. So guys, here is the completed makeup look. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's like a very soft glam. I think this would be very, very nice for a bridal makeup look. For those of us girls who love like that soft glam, this is just perfect. You could definitely do a more bolder lip to make it just pop a little bit. My falsies are falling off, so let's not pay attention to that, right? So I will continue the series and create a third look using this palette. This is look number 2. If you want to see last week's look, go ahead and click the iCard probably up here or over here, whichever side it is. Click the iCard and that will take you to the first look we did from this palette. So we're going to continue on and we're going to do look number 3 for next week. So definitely stay tuned for that. But other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to follow me on social media, all that information will be down below, as well as everything that I use in today's look will be listed down in the description box. And if you are new here, welcome again to my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. I'd love to have you be part of my wonderful YouTube family. So guys, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.